The last lesson in this tutorial covered the basics of using presets on your photos. Now let's take that one step further and learn how to create your own preset that you can use on other photos too. Select a photo from the Tutu album that you made at the beginning of this tutorial. If you're in the editing workspace now, you can select this photo from the film strip, or you can select it here in the grid view, and then go up and click the editing icon. I'm going to open my presets by going to the bottom of the screen and clicking Presets. I'd like to make a preset to bring out the warm tones, like the pinks and golds, in this urban scene. To save time, I'll start with an existing preset. I'll go to the Presets panel, and I'm going to open the Creative category of presets. And from there, I'm going to apply the Warm Shadows preset. I like the way that looks, but I'd like to change it a little bit, opening up the darker areas of the photo. So I'll go over to the Light panel in the column on the right, and I'm going to drag the Shadows slider over to the right. And I like that look better. So now I want to save this as my own preset. To do that, I'll go to the top of the Presets panel. I'll click the three dots there, and that opens a menu where I can choose to create preset. I think it's a good idea to give your presets meaningful names so you can tell at a glance what they do. So I'm going to call this one WS for Warm Shadows, and then I'll say plus 50 shadows. And I'll click Save. Now I'll scroll down, and you can see that there's a User Presets category of presets, and there's the new custom preset that I just made and saved. And I can apply this preset to any photos now or in the future. So let's give it a try on another photo. I'll select this photo of cherry blossoms in the film strip, and then I'll go back to the presets. I'll hover over my user preset. If I like the way that looks, I'll click to apply the preset to that photo. And I might try it on different kinds of subjects too. Let's see how this preset looks on a photo of a person. I'll come over to the film strip and I'll select this photo, and then I'll go back and hover over my user preset, and I really like the color and punch that the new preset adds to this photo, so I'll click to apply it here too. Now that you know how to make user presets in Lightroom CC, have fun experimenting and making your own creative presets.